Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we have really interesting and safe video where we explode knives. The idea is to test all the different blade materials that we could find. So we have the same knife with I think there is at least 7 different blades on them. So we have like stainless, high carbon and many different alloys, and we are going to have them stuck here, and then we are going to crush the blade, and I think it's going to bend on direction or another, and then hopefully some of the blades will explode, and then we have some ballistic gelatin back here to catch the shrapnel. And I think we are going to start with the stainless steel knife. Okay, so the stainless first, and here we go. Okay, we were outdoors to not catch any shrapnel, and we looked from the tiny window on the door, and we thought that it broke because something happened, but I have no idea what. So I'm going to check the high speed, and then we are going to try again. So here is the blade, and it snapped where it's mounted to the handle. You can see that it gets a little bit thinner when it's inside of the handle. So there's weak point where it seems to break. Stainless steel, you can bend it pretty much before it breaks. So I would say that this is pretty safe blade to do hard work and some misuse with the knife, but probably still not good idea, but it wasn't so bad as it could be. And then the next one. Okay, and then we have high carbon steel blades there, and I decided to flip it 90 degrees, so now I can have ballistic gelatin on both sides, and you can also see better what is going on. And let's hope for a terrible accident. Yeah. Okay, so that's interesting. Totally different result than with the stainless steel. And I think I have to look the high speed to have any idea what happened. And there it explodes. And is it? No, it's not super fast. The blade starts to spin on its place, but there is some smaller stuff lying a little bit faster, so hard to say how dangerous that would be. I think the next one is going to be much worse because it's the same high carbon steel, but the blade is much thicker, so let's test that now. The previous one was 2 millimeters and this is 3.2, so I think this is going to also explode, but it's going to be much worse explosion. And I put more light here, so we can see now better high speed of the actual explosion. Hey, we can crush more. It's just half of it's gone. So let's see the high speed and then crush more to get more explosions. Hey, this is pretty nice explosion. This time there is 2 shrapnels and they're moving pretty fast. I think there isn't any big cuts here and not also here. But still, when stuff like this is flying, you don't want to catch this in your eye. Yeah, so it's this one. And you can see that the small fast moving stuff got free from here. Okay, and then we have flex knife, so the like knife flexes, that's the flex knife. And let's see if it's as good as the flex tape. Yeah, it seems that it broke from the just above of the handle, and let's see if it made anything dangerous. I think it was so crushed already that there wasn't room to fly anywhere. Okay, and then we are going to crush another high carbon steel knife. This one has the exact alloy is 5111, and I'm not sure how it's different after the another one, but let's see how it goes. Oh, that was interesting. And somebody said on the Twist chat that we are overdoing the safety things, that this is not dangerous. But look at this. That was pretty bad. Okay, and then the next one. This says on the plate that it's stainless, and the exact grade was 546. I think it's broken. And then the last one, this is a little bit smaller, and it says on the store, according to rough translation, that this is stabbing knife. So let's see how well it stabs. Okay, so the stabbing knife wasn't super dangerous, but the one high carbon knife was pretty bad. Yeah, so don't overstress your knife, you might get hurt. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this angry little girl. I have no idea is she any dangerous, but we must deal with it.